Welcome back to the Azure Thought Works series, your go-to guide for mastering the Microsoft Cloud Adoption Framework. I'm Alex, your CTO on this journey, and this is our third video diving into the planned phase of cloud adoption. You've learned why cloud matters in our intro. Now it's time to turn your strategy into action, and that begins with a clear, collaborative, and well-documented plan. The plan phase ensures your organization is truly ready to adopt cloud technologies by aligning people, processes, and technology. This phase includes 5 key steps. Prepare your organization, prepare your people, plan your migration, estimate cloud costs, document the adoption plan. Let's explore each of these with a real-world scenario you'll recognize. Imagine you're working with Health First, a mid-sized healthcare company modernizing their patient platform. They've committed to Azure, but the road ahead needs clarity. In our story, the CIO leads an executive workshop. Using the strategic alignment tool, they identify desired outcomes, clarify motivations, and discuss operating model changes. Health First recognizes their need for cloud governance, security posture, and modernized operations. They define shared accountability using Microsoft's shared management operating model, where responsibilities are mapped clearly between IT and cloud providers. Output, organizational alignment, and executive buy-in. Next, the focus shifts to the people. Health First's HR and IT leadership assess current skill sets using Microsoft's Skills Readiness Plan. They identify key roles: cloud architects, FinOps specialists, and security champions. They enroll in Microsoft Learn and role-based certifications. Importantly, managers communicate the why to reduce resistance and build cloud culture. Output, skilled, motivated teams aligned to cloud roles. Now comes the tactical planning. Health First uses the Azure Migrate tool to create a workload inventory. They categorize workloads. Some are lift and shift candidates. Others need re-architecture. They align each workload to a strategy: rehost, refactor, re-architect, or replace. Using the cloud rationalization matrix, they assess complexity, risk, and business value. Output, prioritized and assessed workload migration plan. Finance joins the conversation. They estimate costs using Azure's TCO calculator and pricing calculator, considering compute, storage, networking, and reserved instances. They discover potential savings from right-sizing and hybrid benefits, helping stakeholders commit with confidence. Output, transparent, realistic financial forecast. Finally, they document their adoption plan. It includes business outcomes, milestones, responsibilities, and timelines. They use Microsoft's templates for modernization, cloud-native adoption plan for migration, migration adoption plan. This becomes their North Star. Output, a living strategic roadmap. Here's a snapshot of the key inputs and outputs of the plan phase. Inputs, strategic alignment motivations, existing workload inventory, current cost baselines, skills assessment, governance decisions. Outputs, organizational alignment, role-based training plan, workload migration roadmap, cloud cost estimates, documented adoption plan. The magic of the plan phase lies in real conversations. When the CFO sees cloud costs aligned with ROI, trust builds. When HR sees learning paths tied to career growth, momentum builds. When security leads shape the shared responsibility model, risk drops. You're not just planning tech, you're orchestrating organizational readiness. To recap, the plan phase isn't just preparation, it's a bridge between strategy and action. You've now built the alignment, mapped the work, and empowered your people. In the next video, we'll dive into the ready phase, where we build landing zones, define governance, and prepare the technical environment. Until then, download the plan templates from the links below, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you found this helpful.